Hi my friends, let's model the part number 81 triple flanged connector from my collection of 100 parts. The drawing is next after the picture. As you can see, there are some tubes with 3 flanges. This is the drawing where we can see that we can create sweep twice, 2 sweeps, 1, 2, after we create the flange, the main flange. The dimensions of this main flange are here: circle of 105, circle of 80, distance 91, angle 30. Let's start. This plane, X horizontal, circle of 105, another one of 80, a line between them, construction line, project geometry x-axis, also as construction line, to apply angle of 30 degrees, and the distance aligned of 91. A tangent here, and now trim, taking care with fully constrained. This one, this one, this one, one by one. Okay. Fillet, radius 8, here, fully constrained is maintained. Finish, and the thickness is 10. Extrude, 10 is by default. Okay. Now we create in this plane you see this is the center point. We create this cone. Yes, dimensions are external, not internal. 43 is this diameter, 20 from the bottom, and 90 degrees, because they are parallel, of course. Good. Line. Close. This must be coincident with the center point and must be a center line. Angle 90 divided by 2, 20 from up to the bottom, 20, and a diameter of 43. 43. Okay, finish sketch, revolve. Okay. Now this is the face for sweep. The sweep is from the top of that cone. In fact, cone trunk, radius 40 and a distance of 143. Not difficult. Explain, sketch, line, and a quarter of circle. Coincident this point with this point, F7. Coincident this point with this. So this point on the same horizontal with this one, radius 40 and distance 143. Good. Finish sketch. And now sweep, steering curve, and join. Okay. If you want to look from other direction, you can do it. Let's fix this as current view, fit to view. You know the procedure. Yes, because this is the position in the drawing. Next is this sweep with 40 millimeters diameter, this one, in a plane perpendicular on this one. Yes, remember 85. We create a profile, a circle of 40, finish sketch, and a plane based on this, which contains this point, to create a new sketch. F7. Again, we project the center in our sketch, and then we draw the steering curve, which is not complicated if you know how to proceed. 85 height, you see horizontal there, and we draw a vertical line. Why? Because this is that unbearable plane or parallel with it. 85 horizontal, and then an arc of 180 degrees and a short segment, striped segment. We project this geometry and we make coincident that point with the center of the projected. Nothing else is necessary. No radius, no anything. This 85 solves the sketch. Now sweep. This is the profile and this is the steering curve. Join. OK. This is to be not visible. Next we create these sweeps of the hollow parts with a diameter of 30, both of them. Yes? We create a profile, circle of 30, finish sketch, and we must recover the steering curve of the first sweep. This is, I make this visible, and I apply sweep. The profile is this, and the steering curve is this, but with cut. Okay. The other profile must be created here, diameter of 30, finish sketch, and the corresponding steering curve is this, visible, sweep, this profile on this curve with cut. Okay. Now we have to make them not visible, both of them. And we go to the revolving here in the plane XY F7 to create this profile 74, 90, parallel, not 90, parallel, and 4 millimeters this line on 4 millimeters, then a line to this corner. We have to make this selectable. Yes, we stop here, we project geometry, which is this, and then coincident this point with the end of geometry. Another geometry to project is this, and I apply parallel. Yes, I draw axis, but also these two lines to close the outline. Diameter is, if I apply center line, is 74. And this is not coincident. Now they are coincident dimensions, white color, everything is okay. Revolve with cut, and everything is known. Only one close contour, only one center line. Okay. Another problem is with this cut. Yes, 40 and 3 at the end of 143. So we create a sketch here with a diameter of 40. Finish sketch, and we extrude the circular crown, external one, this one, cut on 3. It was 3, yes. The flange placed here is starting from this 3 millimeters. Yes, this is 3, and we start a flange. What flange? 60 by 60, and dimension 11 minus 3. Okay, this is the face where we create that sketch. The sketch is a polygon with 4 sides. Center is here, and the other elements are not important because we make horizontal any side, and we apply the dimension of 60. Radius of 8 and holes of 8. Extrude this the other direction on 11 minus 3. Okay. Edges to be filleted with radius 8, all of them. Okay, then face and face, hole, and this, but not through all. 2 to this face, all of them. Okay. The last are the holes on the bottom plate. They are 8 holes equidistant and 6 holes equidistant. What diameter? 91 and respectively 66. 8 and 6. Okay, we create a sketch with this hole, or this hole. There are 8, no problem. This one, it's the same thing, only one. A point on the same vertical. Oh, this is not good. On the same horizontal, this point F7. Same vertical of this point with this point. You see, the vertical is horizontal. And the dimension 91 divided by 2. Finish sketch. Hole. This is through of diameter 8. Okay, and then circular pattern of this about this axis, 8 holes. Good, 8 holes. Now this face with 6. At 6 we need to know where is. This is a position along of this extrusion sweep. X is again as we don't like, so I place a point here, F6, F7 on the same vertical now with this at a distance of 66 divided by 2. Finish sketch, hole, OK, circular pattern, this axis, and 6 is by default. OK. The last thing is to apply fillets. You see there are fillets all over. R4, radius 4, radius 4, radius 4, every one is 4 millimeters radius. And I suppose that we must apply also here a radius 4. Why? It is, but we don't see it. Yes, I don't know why. Let's apply this dimension. This is an IDW. We apply a visible one. Now this is visible. I don't know what happens, but all of them are radius 4. Let's apply all of them. Four, here as well, and here, and that's all. Yes. Okay. Let's assign our classical material steel cast and the same general aspect, but with the machined some faces like these ones, and also this steel polished F6. Properties are 205 kilograms. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.